welcome back to my channel, The Shining Shiner, and Shana is back again with a new video. So today we are going to learn how to look presentable in just 5 minutes. Hey, so I am here totally barefaced, but yes, let's do it. So I'm using rose water from Wishcare and toning my face. Let it soak down for 10 seconds. After that, we're gonna moisturize our face. I'm gonna moisturize it really well. I've taken a lot of moisturizer and massage it in really well into my skin, so you can see how I am taking a lot of time to massage it. Now let's leave it for 10 seconds and just quickly move on to brows. I'm going to use Kiko Milano eyebrow sculpt pencil, and I'm going to comb my brows upwards using the spoolie behind the pencil. And now with the pencil, which is an angular shape, I am just going to fill my brows where I have gaps. My brows are already untamed, so I will not use the pencil over those extra brows, extra hair. I will just fill in my brows and will outline the brows the way I want them to look. And yes, and to remove any excess, I will use spoolie and keep the brows natural in front. Now I'm gonna correct my face using this LA Girl concealer in shade medium beige, and I will apply it on my pigmented areas and then just leave it for 10 seconds. With that, I'll get a lot of pigmentation from this product, and then I will use my finger to dab it because I get a lot more better blending using my fingers due to the warmth of finger. Now to set all that concealer, I'm going to use this pack translucent powder, and I'm going to set only the areas where I have applied concealers to avoid creasing. Next, I'm taking my favorite mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm gonna layer it up really well. First of all, I will apply first layer, and once the first layer is done, I will leave it for drying for a few seconds, and then I will actually move on to applying to second layer. Yes, this is how I'm applying second layer over that first layer, and you can instantly see that how it actually oomph up and makes my eyes look bigger. To use a lipper which is really nude in color, so I'll mention the names down in the description part below. I don't remember the shade name or the lipstick name. This one is from Color Bar basically. So I'm just gonna apply this lipper, and I will take a tissue and dab it over my lips to just get a little stain of the lipstick. And after that, I'm gonna apply the same lipstick over my cheeks in a lifting direction, in the upward direction, and just blend it in. And yes, that's it. It just took less than 5 minutes, guys. This is how you can look presentable without using a lot of makeup. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please like, share and subscribe. Mwah.